By clicking on this video, you have trusted me and I am never going to break that trust. Let me tell you that if you watch this video till the end, nothing can stop you from becoming a fluent speaker in English. This is my guarantee. So I want you to watch this video till the end because I am going to share with you the exact path I use to become a fluent speaker in English, and now I want you to do the same. If you have been trying to speak English for the last 2 years, 3 years and you haven't become a fluent speaker yet, now it's time for you to question your methods that you are using to improve your English, because in this video I am going to share with you one of the best method through which you can improve your English quickly. So what is that method? Let me tell you, that method is listening. Yeah, listening. I am also going to tell you the right way of listening. I have seen so many English learners listening to English song, listening to English podcast all day long, but they don't end up learning anything from the podcast they are listening. So in this video I am going to tell you the right way of listening so that you can gain the most output of what you are listening. So I want you to watch this video till the end for clarity. Let me tell you that listening plays a huge role in improving your English communication skills. By the way, if you are learning any language, listening is going to be one of the most important thing that you can do to improve your fluency in that language. Now let's talk about the mistakes that most English learners make when they start listening to this language as a beginner. And let me tell you, I myself made these mistakes and now I don't want you to make the same mistake. Now let me talk about the mistake I made. The mistake I made was I was being advised to listen to this language every single day to improve my English, and that was right. But what I was doing, I was listening to English podcast, I was listening to English songs every single day, and there's nothing wrong with listening to English podcast, listening to English music, listening to English songs. But what I did wrong was I was switching from one podcast to another podcast to another podcast. I was switching from one song to another song to another song, and that way I was learning nothing. I was forgetting what I was learning from the podcast. So this is the mistake I made, and I'm very sure that you are doing the same. You are switching from one podcast to another podcast to another podcast. You are switching from one English conversation to another English conversation, and I'm very sure you are doing the same, and I don't want you to do that. Most English learners make this mistake, and I don't want you to make the same mistake. As I told you, listening plays a huge role in learning any language. That is why I am saying you to learn the right way of listening, because it's the listening which is going to make you a fluent speaker in the language you are learning. So now let's talk about the right way of listening. Yeah. The right way of listening is what I did was, let's talk about what I did after what I have done wrong. What I did was I downloaded a lot of English materials in my phone in which the real conversation was happening. That's what I want you to do. I want you to download a lot of English materials in which real conversation, day-to-day conversations are happening. And I want you to listen to those podcasts that you have downloaded for the next 30 to 40 days. I want you to listen to the same podcast over and over again for the next 2 months, 3 months. When you listen to something over and over again, when you repeat things over and over again, it's kind of being stored in your subconscious mind. And this is what I want you to do. I just want you to download a lot of English materials, and I'm not going to tell you what kind of materials you need to be downloading. You can easily find all those English materials in YouTube in which real conversations are happening, and I want you to listen to the podcast, listen to the English materials that you have downloaded over and over again for the 30 to 40 days, in which your mind is going to get used to those sentences that you will be hearing. And this is what I did, and that way my English listening skills improved a lot. This was my personal method that I used to improve my listening skills, and that's what you can do. This is one of the effective method I have ever found to improve listening skills, and you are going to get a like the most output out of whatever you will be listening. So yeah, this was the method that I wanted to talk about, and this is the effective method I have ever found. If you found this video helpful, I want you to hit the like button, and I also want you to subscribe to this channel because it motivates me to make more videos. Okay.